Welcome. In front of me is a T-Mobile T-Phone 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this will remove things like screen locks, so if you have one that you just don't know, you can get rid of it this way. Now I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I wouldn't know it. So number one, we will need to turn off our phone. So pull down your notifications, click on the power button and select power off. Now once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. This will take us to the boot mode, so from here, using only volume up, you want to select first option, which is recovery mode, and then confirm it with volume down. Next thing you will see is Android with no command. Should be visible right about now. There we go. So hold power key, press volume up once, and this will take us to the recovery. And from here, using both volume keys, you want to scroll down in order to select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm it with power key, and select Factory Data Reset. Confirm that, and there we go. Data wipe complete. So reboot system now should be selected by default. So all you need to do is press power key once more, and this will now reboot the device and continue the process in the background. It will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up, but that's completely normal. Once the process is fully finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now I'll mention one more thing which I probably should have done at the beginning. When performing this kind of reset, the device does become usually FRP locked, because for the most part, I'm pretty sure most of you are using a Google account on your phone. And when performing a reset through recovery mode without kind of unlocking the device, this locks the device. So throughout the setup process, I will now need to confirm the previously used pattern, in my case, or Google account. So I could verify it using either one of those, but assuming I wouldn't know either of those, the device would technically be locked. I'll be making another video right after this one on how we can bypass this. So if you're interested in it, stay tuned. Next video is going to be this. But with this one, this is basically it. The device is now fully resetted, so if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.